Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths, Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 1.4. Here we discuss about the division of decimal numbers. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 1.4. First question, simplify the following. First subdivision, 0.6 divided by 3. Same procedure, one more step is there. Listen. First, write down the decimal number as a fraction. 6 divided by 10. Here division. We have to convert into multiplication. One condition is there. What is that means? Take reciprocal for the second number. That means denominator. What is the reciprocal for that? 1 by 3. 3 means that is 3 by 1. Its reciprocal is 1 by 3. Now cancellation means cancel the numbers. Otherwise multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Here 3 and 6 is cancelled by 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. So 2 into 1 2 divided by 10. Before one digit we have to keep the point means 0.2. That is the answer. Next one, 0.90 divided by 5. Write down in fraction. 90 divided by 100. Change into multiplication. What is the condition? Take reciprocal for that. 5 means we get 1 by 5. Here 90 is cancelled by 5th table. 1 5 is 5. 18 5s are 90. So what is the remaining number? 18 divided by 100. So before 2 digit we have to keep the point 1 2. There is no number means put 0. So 0.18 is the answer. Next one, 4.08 divided by 4. Write down in fraction. 408 divided by 100 into 1 by 4. Cancel these numbers. 4 1 is 4. Here 10 4s are 40. 2 4s are 8. So 102 divided by 100. 1.02 is the answer. Next one. Write down in fraction means 2156 divided by 100 into 1 by 7. It is cancelled by 7th table. 7 1 is 7. 7 3s are 21. Put 0 for that because 5 is not divisible by 7. And then 56. 8 times. So 308 divided by 100. So 3.08. That is the answer. Next one, 0.564 divided by 6. 564 divided by 1000. Because after the decimal point 3 digits is there. Change into multiplication means take reciprocal for that. 6 means we get 1 by 6. Now cancel these numbers. 6 1 is 6 and 9 6 are 54. Balance 2 24. 6 4s are 24. So 94 divided by 1000. Before 3 digits we have to keep the point 4 9 and put 0 and then keep the point. So 0.094 is the answer. Next one, 41.36 divided by 4. So 4136 divided by 100 into 1 by 4. Cancel these numbers. 4 1 is 4. Here 4 tens are 40. Balance 1. It becomes 13. 3 fours are 12. Balance 1. It becomes 16. So 4 times. 1034 divided by 100. So before 2 digit we have to keep the point. 10.34 is the answer. Next one, 298.2 divided by 3. Write down the number without the decimal point and divided by 10. And here change into multiplication. Take the reciprocal for that. Cancel these numbers by third table. 3 1 is 3. Here 9 3s are 27. Balance 2. 28. It becomes 28. Again 9 3s are 27. Balance 1. It becomes 12. So 4 times. 994 divided by 10. So before 1 digit we have to keep the point. So 99.4 is the answer. Second sum, simplify the following. First subdivision, 5.7 divided by 10. Listen, write down in fraction form. So 57 by 10 and change into multiplication and take reciprocal for that. Now multiply with numerator and denominator with denominator because there is no cancellation. So 57 into 1, 57 divided by 100. Before 2 digit we have to keep the point. So 0.57 is the answer. Next one, 93.7 divided by 10. 937 divided by 10. Here change into multiplication and take reciprocal for that. And 937 into 1, 937 divided by 10 into 10, 100. So before 2 digit we have to keep the point, means 9.37 is the answer. Next one, 0.9 divided by 10. So 9 by 10. And here change into multiplication. Take reciprocal for that. 9 into 1, 9 divided by 10 into 10, 100. Listen, there is only 1 digit, but we have to keep before 2 digit. So add 1 0 and then keep the point. So 0.09 is the answer. Next one, 301.301. Write down the number without the decimal point. Divided by 1000 because after the decimal point 3 digits. So 1000 and change into multiplication. Take reciprocal. Now write down the number 3,1301 into 1. 3,1301 divided by 1000 into 10, 10,000. Now before 4 digit we have to keep the point. So 30.1301 is the answer. Next sum, 0.83 divided by 10. 83 divided by 100 and multiplication. So take reciprocal for that. 83 into 1, 83. 100 into 10, 1000. Listen, before 3 digit we have to keep the point. Here 2 digit only. So before you add 1 0 and then keep the point means we get 0.083 is the answer. Next one 0.062. So 62 divided by 1000 and change into multiplication and take reciprocal for that. Now 62 into 1, 62 divided by 1000 into 10, 10,000. Listen, before 4 digit we have to keep the point, but here 2 digit only. So we have to add 2 zeros before the numbers and then keep the point. So 0.0062 is the answer. Third sum, simplify the following. First subdivision, 0.7 divided by 100. Same procedure we have to follow, but here they given 100. That is only different. So 7 by 10, change into multiplication. What is the condition? Take reciprocal for that. So 100. What is the reciprocal for 100? That is 1 by 100. Now multiply the numerators. 7 into 1, 7 divided by 10 into 100, 1000. Before 3 digits we have to keep the point. So 7, add 2 zeros and then keep the point. So 0.007 is the answer. Next one, 3.8. 38 divided by 10 into 1 by 100. Now 38 into 1, 38 divided by 1000. Now 38, 2 zeros and add 0, we get 0.038. That is the answer. Next one, 49.3 divided by 100. So 493 divided by 10 into 1 by 100. Now 493 into 1, 493 divided by 10 into 100, 1000. So 0.493 is the answer. Next one, 463.85. So 46,385 and 2 digits is there. So put 100 and then multiplication, take reciprocal for that. So 46,385 divided by 100 into 100, 10,000. Now before 4 digits we have to keep the point. So 4.6385. That is the answer. Next one, 0.3 divided by 100. 3 by 10 into 1 by 100. So 3 into 1, 3 divided by 10 into 100, 1000. Before 3 digits there is only 1 digit. So put 2 zeros and then keep the point. So 0.003 is the answer. Next one, 27.4 divided by 100. 274 divided by 10 into 1 by 100. Now 274 into 1, 274 divided by 10 into 100, 1000. 274. Listen, before 3 digits we have to keep the point. So 1, 2, 3. There is no number. So 0.274 is the answer. Fourth sum, simplify the following. First subdivision 18.9 divided by 1000. Write down in fraction 189 divided by 10 into, take reciprocal for that, so 1 by 1000. Now multiply the numerators. 189 into 1, 189 divided by 10 into 1000, 10,000. So what is the answer here? Before 4 digits we have to keep the point, add 0 and then we get 0.0189 is the answer. Next one, 0.87 divided by 1000. Write down the number as fraction 87 divided by 100 into 1 by 1000. Same procedure. So I multiply the numerators. 87 into 1, 87 divided by 100 into 1000, 1 lakh. Now before 5 digits we have to keep the point. There is 2 digit only, so add zeros, 3 zeros before the numbers. So 0.00087 is the answer. Next one, 49.3 divided by 1000. So 493 divided by 10 into 1 by 1000. Now multiply the numerators, means we get 493 divided by 10 into 1000, 10,000. Now the answer is 493 only is there. So add 1 0 before the numbers, means we get 0.0493 is the answer. Next one, 0.3 divided by 1000. So 3 by 10 change into multiplication, and what is the condition? Take reciprocal for that. And then 3 into 1, 3 divided by 10 into 1000, 10,000. So 3 is there, only 1 digit, but we have to keep the point before 4 digit 1 and add 0, 3 zeros and then keep the point. So 0.0003 is the answer. Next one, 382.4 divided by 1000. So 3824 divided by 10 into 1 by 1000. So 3824 into 1, 3824, and divided by 10 into 1000, 10,000. Before 4 digits we have to keep the point. So 0.3824 is the answer. Next one, 93.8 divided by 1000. So 938 divided by 10 into 1 by 1000. 938 into 1, 938 divided by 10 into 1000, 10,000. So 938. Before 4 digit we have to keep the point. So add 1 0 and then we get 0.0938 is the answer. Fifth sum, simplify the following. First subdivision, 19.2 divided by 2.4. Listen. First write down the decimal numbers as fraction. 19.2 means 192 divided by 10. And put the division symbol as it is, and then take the fraction for that, that is 24 divided by 10. Next step, write down the first fraction as it is 192 divided by 10. Now change the sign, change into multiplication. What is the condition? That is, take reciprocal for the second fraction. So 25 by 10 means, what is the reciprocal? 10 by 24. Now cancel these numbers. 10, 10 get cancelled, and here third table. Eighth table. 3 8s are 24. Here 2 8s are 16. Balance 3, it becomes 32. 4 8s are 32. Now remaining numbers 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 means, what is the answer? 8. That is the answer. Next one, 4.95. What is the first step? Write down in fraction. So 495 divided by 100 and divided by here 0.5. So 5 by 10. Now write down the first fraction as it is in the next step, and then change into multiplication. What is the condition? Take reciprocal for that. Now cancel the 1 0 1 0, and then 5 1 is 5, 5 9s are 45, balance 4, it becomes 45, again 9 times. So 99 divided by here 10. So what is the answer? 9.9 is the answer. Next one, 19.11 divided by 1.3. Divided by 100 divided by 13 by 10. Now 1911 divided by 100, change into multiplication means take reciprocal. So 10 by 13. Now cancel the 0 0, and then here 13th table, cancelled by 13th table. 113 is 13. Here 113 is 13. Balance 6. It becomes 61. 4 13s are 52. Balance 2. Sorry, balance 9. It becomes 91. So that is 7. 7 13s are 91. So remaining number 147 divided by 10. So what is the answer? 14.7 is the answer. Next sum, 399. 399 divided by 1000 divided by 21 by 10. Now 399 divided by 1000, write down as it is, and change into multiplication means take reciprocal. So 10 by 21. Now cancel these numbers. 1 0 1 0 get cancelled, and then here cancel by 21st table. 121 is 21. Here also 121 is 121. Balance 18. It becomes 189. That is 9 times. So 19 21s are 399. Write down the remaining numbers. 19 by 100. What's the answer? Before 2 digit we have to keep the point, means 0.19 is the answer. Next one, 5.4 divided by 0.6. So 54 divided by 10 and divided by 6 by 10. Now listen, 54 by 10 into 10 by 6. So 10 get cancelled. 6 9s are 54. So 9 is the answer here. Next one, 2.197. So 2197 divided by 1000 and divided by 13 by 10. Now 2197 divided by 1000 into 10 by 13. Now 1010 can get cancelled, and here 13th table. 113 is 13. Here 2197 divided by 13 means 113, balance 8, bring down 9. How many times? 6 13s are 78, balance 11, brings down again 7, 117 it becomes, that is 9 times. So 169, it cancelled means we get 169 times. So 169 divided by 100, answer is 1.69. that is the answer. Sixth sum, divide 9.55 kg of sweet among 5 children. How much will each child get? Listen, total weight 9.55 kg. Total weight of sweet equal to 9.55 kilogram, and then number of children equal to 5. Now weight of sweet for one child equal to 9.55 divided by 5. Write down in fraction. First 955 divided by 100 into, take reciprocal for 5 means we get 1 by 5. Now cancel these numbers. 5 1 is 5. Here 5 1 is 5. Balance 4. It becomes 45. 9 times. Here 1 5. So 191 divided by 100. What is the answer? 1.91 kilogram of sweet each child get. So answer, each child will get 1.91 kg sweet. That is the answer. Seventh sum, a vehicle covers a distance of 76.8 km for 1.2 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover for 1 liter of petrol? Listen. Distance covered for 1.2 liters that is equal to 76.8 kilometer. Now we want to find out distance covered for 1 liters. 1 liter equal to 76.8 divided by 1.2. Now write down in fraction in both number. So 768 divided by 10 and divided by 12 divided by 10. Now convert into multiplication means 768 divided by 10 into 10 by 12. Now cancel this. 10 cancelled. 12 1 is 12. Here 12 6 are 72, balance 4, it becomes 48, that is 4 times. So 64 kilometer, that is the answer. So distance covered for 1 liter petrol equal to 64 kilometer. That is the answer. 8th sum. Cost of leveling a land at the rate of rupees 15.50 per square feet is rupees 10,075. Find the area of the land. Listen. Cost of leveling for the entire land equal to rupees 10,075, and the given cost of leveling for 1 square feet equal to rupees 15.50. Now we want to find out the area of the land. Area of the land equal to cost of leveling entire land divided by cost of leveling 1 square feet. So that is equal to 10,075 divided by 15.50. Now write down the number as it is 10,075 divided by 1550 divided by 100. Now 0.075 into, take reciprocal for that, means 100 by 1550. Cancel this 0 and then cancel this numbers, means 155. Here 65 times 65 into 155 means we get this 10,075. Write down the remaining number 65 into 10. We get 650 square feet. That is the area. That is the answer. Ninth sum. The cost of 28 books are rupees 1506.4. Find the cost of one book. Listen. Cost of 28 books they given. Cost of 28 books equal to rupees 1506.4. So we want to find out cost of one book equal to 1506.4 divided by 28. So 6.4. How will you write in fraction? 15064. That is 15,064 divided by 10 divided by 28. Now write down the fraction as it is and change into multiplication, means 1 by 28. Now cancel these numbers. First cancel this number by fourth table. 7 4s are 28. Here 3 4s are 12. Balance 3 30. 7 4s are 28. Balance 2. It becomes 26. 6 4s are 24. Balance 2. Again it becomes 24. So 6 times. Write down the number into 1 by 7 now. Cancel this number by 7th table. 1 7 is 7. 7 5s are 35. Balance 2. It becomes 26. 26. That is 7 3s are 21. Balance 5. It becomes 56. 8 7s are 56. So 538 divided by 10. Now we get 53.8. That is cost of one book. We can write 53.80. That is the answer. 10th sum. The product of two numbers is 40.376. One number is 14.42. Find the other one. So listen. Product of two numbers they given. One number also they given. We don't know the other number. So let the unknown number be x. What are they given? The product of two numbers. One number they given, that is 14.42 into another number, we take that x, equal to 40.376. So x equal to 40.376. Here 14.42 is in multiplication. Bring this side means division. This fraction write down as like this: 40.376 divided by 14.42. Now write in fraction divided by 1000 divided by 14.42. So 1442 divided by 100. Now change into multiplication. 1000 into, take reciprocal for that, so 100 by 1442. Now listen, 20 get cancelled. Now these two numbers is cancel, we can cancel that. So 40376 divided by 1442. Listen, first cancelled by 2 table. 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4 and 1 2 is 2. Here 20 2s are 40, 1 2 is 2, balance 1, it becomes 17, 8 2s are 16, balance 1, it becomes 16 again. So again 8 times. Now cancelled by 7th table. 10 sevens are 70, balance 2, it becomes 21, that is 3 times. Here 2 sevens are 14, balance 6, it becomes 61, 8 sevens are 56, balance 5, it becomes 58, again 8 times, balance 2, it becomes 28, that is 4 times. Now hundred and 3 1 is 3. Here 28 times, 28 103s are 2884. So now 1, here 28. So 28 divided by 10, we get 2.8, that is x value. Therefore, the number is 2.8, that is the answer. Here exercise 1.4 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.